Stored procedures are precompiled SQL routines that optimize database performance, enhance security, and maintain consistent business logic. WSI experts have written and optimized thousands of stored procedures across industries, helping businesses reduce network load, improve response time, and ensure reliable database operations. Stored procedures offer faster performance, consistent business logic, stronger security, easier maintenance, and greater scalability. Even existing procedures can be optimized, eliminating redundant logic, improving query performance, enhancing parameterization and error handling, and aligning with SQL Server best practices. WSI professionals can work on legacy versions of Microsoft SQL Server, as well as the currently supported versions, and Azure SQL, leveraging advanced features like temporary tables, output parameters, dynamic SQL, and optimized indexing. We also provide table and index design, ensuring your data structures are optimized for speed, reliability, and long-term scalability. Partner with WSI to build efficient, secure, high-performing stored procedures that power your applications for years to come. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com.